They're watching me. I hear they've been coming to my garden every day. Good morning. I hope you're having a great day. So today's a busy day. I've got a pretty big bouquet to make. I have another pretty big bouquet to make. And then I have my farmer market bouquets and my snapdragons are out of control. So I'm going to head down there now. I definitely need taller buckets. I think this is my biggest snapdragon harvest yet. I couldn't fit another snapdragon in the bucket. And they are tall and they are beautiful. Yay! Not a bad harvest at all. Got my gorgeous bucket of snapdragons, an amazing bucket of celosia, and I snagged a couple zinnias, some short sunflowers. These are my zinnias from yesterday. Got some more sweet Annie, and I cut off some of my bush at home. And I just got another order for a bouquet. So now I've got 3 pretty good sized bouquets to make today and all the farmer market bouquets. So I'm just gonna get to it. Okay, I have my $20 bouquets for the farmer's market all ready to go. It has been a long day. I had a couple of deliveries and then I had a really big bouquet to make. It was really big and I fussed with it for a long time because I need practice. I don't ever make really big bouquets and I want to make it look nice. I'm sure some people would just get it done quick, but I think it turned out gorgeous. I'm so excited about it. But anyway, I have my market bouquets done, so I'll go in close with them. And if you want to pick your favorite and drop it in the comments, that's awesome. I love seeing everybody's comments every week. It's just really interesting to see what colors are the fan faves. So I will do that and then I will mark which ones. But there is a hitch. There are supposed to be some big thunderstorms coming in tomorrow during the farmers market, and a lot of vendors have already posted that if it's a thunderstorm they won't be out there and no customers will be out there. So I don't know what's gonna happen. It could end up just being light rain. You know, we've done that before when we thought it was a thunderstorm, but I think it's getting really late and I've had a really long day and I have not sold $10 bouquets for the last 2 weeks. So I think I'm gonna stick with my 5 $20 bouquets. I might whip together like 5 $10 bouquets and then I'm gonna call it good this time. It's just slowing down at the market. But anyway, here we go. 1, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there you have it. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, I got 5 little $10 bouquets done. They don't have any backs to them, so they just look pretty from the front because they're just $10.